Good morning. Sun is shining. Got some stuff going on at the Milky Ranch today. Cadillac still doesn't have a windshield in it, but we're gonna temporarily take it outside because the boys decided he's going to put his transmission in today. DeSoto's off jack stands and ramps, and I'm going to drive it outside and up the road, and then have a special treat today. A friend of mine has a little car here. I know it's a Ford, but it's a pretty cool Ford if you're going to count Fords. This is a 65 fastback, 289. Needs a little bit of love. Needs a radiator, a heater core. Let me tell you a quick story. As I remember it, probably not accurate. I'm sure they'll correct me. But as I remember them telling the story, this car was won in a poker game some 30 years ago and gifted to that man's granddaughter. He was going to restore it for her and give it to her. Maybe just as a gift, or maybe as a wedding present, I can't remember. But he died shortly after it went in the body shop, and the car never got restored. They retrieved the car from the body shop, stuck it in the back of the garage. That girl married that boy, despite her father's not wanting her to. They've been married now 27 years. Sending their last child off to college, and he's decided to fix it up for her. They got it out, went to driving it the other day, went to a cruise in after he'd worked on it some, put a brand new Griffin aluminum radiator in it, went across a curb. Sorry, battery went dead. Took it out with the fan. So it's got a new radiator coming. We're going to put an electric fan on it. Needs a heater core, some heater blower hoses inside the heater box. We may try and help them upgrade some wheels and tires on it, but goal is for him to drive this some. Like I said, cool enough car that it just needs driven, even if it's not restored. So that's what we're going to try and help them do. Well, Mustang made it into the shop. Mustang got a new radiator, and it's getting a new heater core. Box is a little, well, damaged, let's call it, but we have some new stuff coming, new gaskets and such. I'll make a few little repairs to the box. It's a fiberglass box. It's got a few imperfections in it still. Got a new one of them too. Put all that back together, and Michelle ought to be rolling in her Mustang again. Yesterday was a very successful day as the Milky Way got its transmission and good stall converter back in business. Went well. right, so Billy and Michelle are here. You're going on YouTube. Look at that.
Look at all that sexiness right there.
And they're here. They're going to take their Mustang home after a few tweaks, a little bit of work, a little bit of love. She's going to have to adjust the seat so she can reach the pedals. Will it run?
Of course it will.